Alright, look, I shuffle these cards, maybe shuffle like this, and now I take 4 random cards. Card number 1, maybe 10 of spades, maybe Jack of hearts, and of course maybe 2 of diamonds. And now I shuffle these cards and take 1 random cards, maybe Ace of spades, why not? So look, I take this really 4 cards. Ace of spades, card face up. Look, snap my finger and Ace of spades turn over face down. It's really crazy because it's really 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Ace of spades turn over face up. It's really crazy. Look, I take this Ace of spades, snap my finger, Ace of spades, jump top of the pile. Snap my finger, Ace top of the pile. Snap my finger, Ace top of the pile. Snap my finger, Ace top of the pile. It's really crazy because it's Ace, 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 Ace. Wow, it's really amazing, yes? Look, I take Ace of spades, putting her like this, drop it, Ace of spades here, I take this, drop it, Ace of spades here, I take this, drop it, Ace of spades here. Yes, it's really for Ace. Look, snap my finger, now this Ace of spades, Ace of hearts, Ace of clubs and Ace of diamonds. It's really for Ace. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy card trick because I teach you really unbelievable card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Maybe you share this video with a friend magician, why not? Maybe your friend really magician, it's really crazy. And now I teach you this trick. Yes, it's really unbelievable, it's really crazy. Let's learn. Alright, first trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 cards, maybe you take 4 ace, 4 queen, 4 jack, 4 king, 4 6, 7, it's really any 4 cards, right? Look, you take these 4 cards, 4 ace. 3 ace putting her like this, and 1 ace putting her like this. Right, look, I repeat, 3 ace here, 1 ace here. Alright. And next step, you make any full shuffle, you maybe make any full scat. Maybe you shuffle like this. Your left hand takes this top pile, your right hand takes this bottom pile, and now you shuffle like this. You say with this ace of spades, and this pile you say with this 3 ace like this, right? It's really easy full shuffle. Look, say with ace of spades and say with this 3 ace. It's really crazy because it's really true shuffle. And now you control it 2 cards, or 4 cards, 1 ace here and 3 ace here. It's really easy. It's really crazy. Look, save it this pile and save it this pile. Alright. And now your setup look like this. 3 ace here, 1 ace here. Alright. So, the next step, you take 4 random cards, I'm sorry. You take this pile, your left hand like this. And now you count little pile, turn over, show it this card, this is 2 of hearts. And next step, you make a switch. This is really crazy switch, a switch bottom deal, 1 hand bottom deal, yes. Look, you take little pile, show it, and now you these cards move it like this. And now you make a switch. Look, you turn over this hand like this. And now you have these cards move it like this. And now your left hand next step takes these cards, ace of clubs, and drop it like this. And now your left hand drop it this pile like this. Of course you drop it ace of clubs. Look, I repeat, I shuffle these cards. It's really true, of course I save it 4 cards. Now you count little pile, turn over, show it these cards, move it like this, and now you make a bottom deal like this. You take these cards, your left hand like this, and these cards squeeze, and you move it like this, and drop it this ace of clubs, and this pile drop it like this. The next step, you repeat. You take little pile, show it 5 of hearts, remember. Move it like this and make a switch like this. It's really easy switch. Look, and I repeat. Look, 5 of hearts. I'm sorry. I take little pile, maybe 5 of hearts. Yes, make move like this, and make a switch and drop it. And this pile drop it like this. And now you repeat. Take little pile, show it. Remember, it's really free. Your cards 4 of spades. Show it like this. And now you make a switch and drop at these cards like this. It's really crazy bottom deal. Look, 4 of your cards, 4 of spades. No, snap my finger. Your cards, ace of diamonds. Yes, it's really crazy switch. Look, 4 of spades, and drop it and drop it. Yes, and now this 3 random cards switch for 3 ace. All right. The next step, you make a full swing cut. You take this deck your right hand, and now you make a swing cut like this. You take little pile, take little pile, take little pile. Now of course your ace of spades here, and now with ace of spades, drop it like this and save it. You break this finger like this. All right, drop it this pile and save it. You break this finger. Of course you maybe drop it this pile like this, and now you control it this pile like this, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, what? Look, jig, jig, drop it like this, and squeeze and save it your break, right? And now you save it your break, take this pile you break and show it this ace of spades. You repeat this move like this and drop it this ace of spades like this. Of course, you drop it this ace of spades. Look, I repeat, jig, jig, save it your break, right? Save it your break this ace of spades, take this ace of spades, show it, make move it like this, and drop it like this, and drop it like this, and drop it like this. All right. You take this 4 ace. All right. Spectator thinks this is 4 random cards because this 4 random cards and this ace. The next step, you maybe shuffle these 4 cards like this. Of course, you control it your ace of spades. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I shuffle these cards. Yes, of course, I control it. This is my ace of spades. So you take 1 card, this ace of spades, it's really free, and now you take this ace of spades and put in her like this and squeeze. The next step, you spin this pile, maybe snap your finger and show it ace of spades, turn over face down. Yes, it's really nice effects. You make MC count. Yes, look, you take 1 card, block 2 cards, 1, 1. All right, it's really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I repeat. It's really easy move. 1, 2, 3, and these 4 cards put in her like this. And now you repeat 1, 2, 3, and these cards put in her like this. You repeat. You take 1, 2, 3, and these cards put in her like this. And now you repeat MC count. Take 1, 2, oh, ace of spades, turn over face up. It's really crazy. Yes. And next step, you show with this ace of spades. And now your left hand, this finger count 1 cards. And this ace of spades put in her like this. Of course, you ace of spades, position number 3, right? Now you squeeze. Now you snap your finger. This finger count 1 card. Turn over your right hand 3 cards. Show it this ace of spades, 3 cards. Turn over like this and drop it like this. And now you repeat, count this 1 cards, turn over, show it, turn over, drop it, snap your finger and show it like this. And next step, you make a switch like this. You take this ace of spades and 1 ace of diamonds. And now you take these 2 cards, your right hand, and now your left hand move it like this and drop it these cards. Of course, you ace of spades here. It's really easy move. Look, ace of spades, jump, drop it, ace of spades, make a switch like this, drop it, ace of spades, of course your ace of spades here. All right. Oh, it's really crazy. And next step, you take these 4 cards like this and show it for ace. Show it ace, show it ace, show it ace, show it ace. Look. You show it this ace of spades and slide these cards. Show it ace of spades, slide these cards. show it ace of spades, slide these cards and show it ace of spades. It's really crazy. And now you repeat these cards, put in her position number 3, you make your turn over 3 cards, you maybe turn over 2 cards, you turn over 1 cards, you make a switch and turn over these cards. It's really crazy. It's 4 cards for ace. Yes, snap your finger and show us these 4 cards. It's really for ace. It's really crazy. It's really unbelievable card effects. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.